So after a short audio test and just see how it performs, and do the same if you use it on direct power. It's definitely more powerful, but this is something JBL has done always with the speakers. But the funny thing is, like with the Tribert Stormbox Blast, you don't need a cable to get more power. It does use all the power without a cable, just on the battery. But with JBL speakers you always need extra power of the socket to really get the most power out of it. But do have to say on the normal mode, or normal mode on the battery mode, it's very powerful. Without any bass boost you do get a deep bass, but it's definitely not too much overpowering. The clearness could maybe be a little bit better, but I do think for a party box speaker the overall sound profile is fine. You don't have to buy this for high-end audio or higher resolution, it's just for party. So I'm also like looking at it that way. If you use the bass boost one, as in the video test you could see before me talking, it's fine, but it does give you a little bit too much bass with some songs. And the bass boost 2 I don't even bother to test, because it's just like an upper bass boost and I don't like those kind of things. So I didn't even try it out, because it's just not something I like. And yeah, I did use the bass boost with the direct power, and then it's really like overpowering. But this could be a good thing in very big rooms, so definitely know it has enough punch. I do like it a little bit more than the Party Box On The Go. That speaker just didn't have a lot of bass response. It just felt very flat actually for Party Box. And this one, it's kind of heavy, but it's really okay to carry with one hand. I do like it for me. And this is something funny, because I'm normally not that kind of a Party Box guy. But this one I like it, and it's pretty cool. They do have that like round volume button from the Party Box 110. It's really cool, much better than those buttons. It works also very well. Overall, very cool speaker. In the next videos I will definitely compare it with the Tribert and maybe even with the Soundco Motion Boom Plus, because those prices are very similar to this speaker. So yeah, see you guys around.